Konnichiwa, what's up, minasan, Miejie desu. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Miejie. I love learning languages and I've been learning Japanese for years now. I started learning Japanese 11 years ago, and if you happen to watch my other videos, then you probably know that I primarily use language learning apps to learn Japanese. I have tried using a lot of language learning apps, and each one has their own strengths. There are apps for learning kanji, vocabulary, and grammar, and there are also some that focus on reading practice, some that focus on listening and speaking practice, and others that focus on JLPT preparation. If you're a serious learner and want to have a balance between learning kanji, vocabulary, and grammar, and at the same time prepare for the JLPT while having reading, listening, speaking, and writing practice, then there's one language learning app that I would highly recommend. It's 𝙬𝙤𝙪𝙏𝙪 Japanese. 𝙬𝙤𝙪𝙏𝙪 Japanese is the sponsor of this video, but I would not recommend it if I'm not using this very amazing app. If you have not yet heard of 𝙬𝙤𝙪𝙏𝙪 Japanese, or if you're familiar with it but not yet using the app, then watch this video until the end because I have some exciting news for you. So what is 𝙬𝙤𝙪𝙏𝙪 Japanese? 𝙬𝙤𝙪𝙏𝙪 Japanese is an app where you can learn Japanese through reading news. It has a huge database of Japanese news articles from different sources, and it is updated daily. You can search for news articles, and you can also select the type of article that you're interested to read about. The news articles are short and just about 2 to 4 minutes to read for the easy level, so it's a great way to have reading practice if you're a beginner. On the other hand, if you're already an intermediate or advanced learner, then you can also opt to read difficult articles. What I personally like about this app is that the words are classified per JLPT level. It's color-coded so you can easily see which articles are more suitable for your current level. Another thing that I like about this app is that there's an option to show or hide furigana. These are the small hiragana characters on top of the kanji characters, so even if you're still a beginner, you can already start learning how to read the kanji characters in a news article. Another great thing about this app is that you can learn vocabulary by selecting or highlighting the words. Just select or highlight the kanji characters or words that you want to learn, and it will show you its meaning or translation. You can save the new vocab to your favorites, and you can also click show more and it will show you more information like how to write the kanji characters, sample sentences, grammar key points, and related images. You can also click on this notebook to see a list of vocabulary words featured in the article. Additionally, you can also review the words using flashcards. Furthermore, aside from reading practice, you can also have listening and speaking practice. You can listen to the article, and you can also do shadowing. Here you can adjust the speed, and here you can record yourself speaking. You can also see the English translation, and if you're already an advanced learner, you can also give your own translation. You can also save the articles to your favorites, and you can also download it to read it offline. 𝙬𝙤𝙪𝙏𝙪 Japanese also has a text analyzer. You can copy text or URLs of whatever you want to learn about, and it will analyze it for you. It will break down the text per JLPT level, and you can study the vocabulary words and grammar key points. Another interesting feature of 𝙬𝙤𝙪𝙏𝙪 Japanese is that you can also learn conversation and grammar lessons. The lessons are short and easy to follow. There's a short dialogue at the beginning of each lesson, followed by a brief description of the grammar key points. I highly recommend going through these lessons if you're a beginner to intermediate level. Now let's talk about JLPT preparation. If you want to pass a JLPT, one of the things that you must do is to practice answering a lot of mock tests. When I was preparing for the JLPT N5, I only tried answering the mock test on the JLPT official website. I was not aware of other resources. So if there's one thing I wish I knew back then, it's 𝙬𝙤𝙪𝙏𝙪 Japanese mock tests. Good thing I already knew this app when I was preparing for the JLPT N4. 𝙬𝙤𝙪𝙏𝙪 Japanese has mock tests from JLPT N5 to N1. You can simulate the actual test since there's also a timer which is similar to the time allocation for the actual test. Once you're done answering the questions, it will show you whether you passed or failed. This is one of my mock test results for the JLPT N4 last December 2022. Passing mock tests can give you confidence that you can also pass the actual tests. So if you're planning to take the JLPT, then I highly recommend answering as many mock tests as you can so you can get more confident in taking the actual test. Another amazing feature that I love about 𝙬𝙤𝙪𝙏𝙪 Japanese is that you can also learn by watching videos or listening to podcasts. You can watch short stories, and you can also listen and sing along to your favorite Japanese songs. What I like about it is that the songs are classified into beginner, intermediate, or advanced levels. Thus, you can choose to learn songs that are more suitable to your current level. 𝙬𝙤𝙪𝙏𝙪 Japanese is a free app with an option to upgrade to a premium account. It is available both in iOS and Android. Links are in the description. If you want to unlock all the amazing features of 𝙬𝙤𝙪𝙏𝙪 Japanese, I have good news for you. On April 25 to 26, you're going to have 50% discount for the premium version. By upgrading to premium, you can remove ads, have a limited number of readings per day, read news offline, unlock all the JLPT mock test, and many more. So make sure to save the date and take advantage of this special offer. Trust me, it's really worth it. Ikaga ka? I hope you find this video helpful for your Japanese language learning journey. I'll be sharing more language learning tips and language learning app recommendations on my next video, so make sure to like and subscribe. That's all for now. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you in the next one. Otagaini, ganbarimashou! Mata ne!